What do woman family? What do woman gang? What do woman squad? I'm Sarah. I'm a new cast member to the crew. I'll be here every Wednesday giving you life tips, life lessons, beauty tips, makeup, because I do that makeup stuff. I do the lashes. But you might remember me from being with Wanda in jail. Keep defending her. Everybody would pick on her. And I was there helping her. Did this refresh your memory? This my cheeseburger. Yeah, that's me. And I'm out. I'm free. And like I said, I'm going to be here every Wednesday dropping new videos. So subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the post notification bell button. And we're going to get into the video. Like I said, I'm going to be talking about dipping too. But yeah, let's get into the video. Because I got a lot to talk about. And say hi to my friend. Say hi, y'all. Say hi, but we're gonna get into this video because I got a lot to talk about. Let's go. I wanna let y'all know a little bit about myself. My name's Sarah. I got a boyfriend named Watt, and I got a best friend named Tate. And they gonna be doing it in my live. And they got a lot that they talk about. They know about boyfriend, know about fixing car. So don't get discouraged. They keep coming back. Period. Okay? So every Wednesday, contact me out. You get into a video. Today I'm gonna be talking about Ratchet because I feel like the Ratchet was older because they go suck in the country and they just had a lot of people out of work and people couldn't pay that bill and these people they don't want their rent. Like people don't want their rent. So I think Ratchet would be a good idea. People could get continue to stay on that seat. People could do a lot with the Ratchet. But anyway, I've been home for like 3 months. I got my feet, got me a job or whatever. I still play with Barbie doll from every now and then, but they're like my best friend. And they're gonna be in most of my videos. Every Wednesday, I'm gonna drop a video. And don't miss out. Hit that post notification bell. Comment in the comment section if you want to see anything from me. But I just want to say that I love you guys all. And I think the post on Facebook when you said you're welcome for your money, hire me in November. That's trying to think, I'm gonna hire you in November because first of all, you didn't have to do what you did, but you did that stuff because Congress was like, no, they want to do it, let me take a food stamp, and then they want to do all type of great stuff, but who the girl get the fuck alive looking like that? Fuck the ball, I ain't gotta get on nowhere because they my head. I'm the one that hit that live button, not you. You hit the live button to view. So you know what I'm talking about. You can get on my page. Like, I'm not here for it. Period. Like, anyway, that don't twice say he gonna come out with a check for they ain't gonna go for 1 2, so he gonna 1 2, but I don't know, dude. I'm gonna go buy me a nice little left front. That old ass suit you got on. You need to go do something. You know what, but I'm not gonna over no bit I don't know. Y'all did hood. Like every time I go live, somebody always gotta tell my live, trying to say negative stuff to me. They be trying to tell me I can't talk. I don't give a fuck because at the end of the day, I'm gonna go there. Subscribe to Funny Woman. Hey, like don't come on here saying what that negative stuff. Go with the garage. That's why I don't really like going like now because you sound like you eating apple thought. Okay, if I eat apple thought in my business, like, but you drill on my live, comment about me how I talk. Your motherfucking been cold. This is her live, and I'm white. So if you put your hands on me, guess who ain't going to jail? Me. You hold that thing here for period. Who? But why would do? They don't even know. But anyway, I have to thank the Lord for don't fly with flower no more. Both the ball. But you don't do my call for one, then you go a whole paragraph on my line, on my stupid looking line. Okay, if my eyeball not on fleek in your but my eyeball on fleek. Like, what do you mean? You always got something to say to me. Like, don't take all that motherfucking wig, cause that wig it look plastic. Okay, and my wig wanna let plastic. Let my wig look plastic. When Donald Trump send this money out, I'm gonna give me a bundle. I might get 360, but and give you 160 of it. Anyway, yeah, cause I just think Donald Trump did. You so ratchet and ghetto. You eating on live. That cheeseburger look dry. Okay, bitch. And your mama feet is dry, bitch. That's why your mama always call you no want to. You can put it on her feet. And you don't be wanting to because that drip dry. You need to be one about it. You gonna get them in the tech next month because Donald Trump said he going for round 2. And you about on my live video. You ain't said nothing about my nail, bitch. You want about the wrong thing. Oh, what the fuck? That lip tip. Okay, I got on booking in lip tip. You know what? Hey, best friend. Best friend, you did it comment. You did it, people come for me. Best friend, yeah. That's my best friend Tay. And y'all gonna say, pull up, Tay. Best friend, pull up. Like, don't. Yeah, best friend, tell them. Tell them get the butt off my line. I don't give a fuck if I got my best friend, tell them. Tell them that I ain't been to be bought with period, best friend. Go best friend, that's my best friend. You better. No, that's our best friend. That's our best friend. Look. Go best friend, that's our best friend. You better cuss them out. That you better. Yeah. And one thing about today, but ain't nobody gonna do this today. So y'all know why y'all bidding. Cause ain't nobody gonna put their hair on day. So they ain't gonna take that one. You're not gonna take that one. You're not gonna put your hair on day. Out the fucker, that's my best friend. That's my best friend. I don't even want to put my hair on my own best friend. Like y'all got the game put up. Hey boo, hey babe, boyfriend are doing live. Rock, boyfriend, let me tell you, they on here going to take off that big ass necklace. So why you whine about it? My boyfriend, tell him, boyfriend, that nigga you bought me this necklace, that ain't fake. Cause that nigga be, y'all done be dead any old day. I don't give a fuck, girl, you need to get the butt alive. You is the greatest time, I don't even know what the fuck that says, so I need to go kind of read it. Y'all talk about me, but y'all on my life doing dumb stuff like, y'all, boo, babe, rock. Boyfriend, you need to come get these people. It's some niggas too. Girl, get the fuck off live and go bathe. Both of all, I take bath every day. I don't take shower. I take bath. I sit in the tub. Y'all bitch take bub bath. Matter of fact, that bitch right here, you dirty ass bitch. No, you the dirty ass bitch because if you look at your neck black and full and be photoable, won't you the dang bitch? On live the other day, and they were joking on you. Your both fan, y'all. They say you take bug bath, bitch, and you smell like a bird's nest. So I ain't got time. Let me block that bitch, cause that bitch the dirtiest bitch. In a comment trying to say I need a bite. Block that bitch. Block now, bitch. Why me? Cause you can't comment no more. You can't comment. Bitch, you need to go ahead and show them that your mama made a hole, cause you acting like you motherfucking the baddest bitch. Buck the ball. Period. I the baddest. Period on Facebook. Baddest. Period. You mad, you did fuck back. You did fuck mad because your mama weighs a motherfucking hoe. Cause I'm not gonna keep addressing them. I'm not gonna keep addressing y'all. I'm not gonna be arguing with no motherfucking dumb bitch. You need to stop go brush your teeth like you smoke some shit cigarette. Both the ball. I don't do drugs, I don't do no tobacco. I don't do drugs, I don't do none of that stuff. How your mouth look. And you talk about me. Mind your bed, period. I'm ready to block you. Say one more thing. And you gon' get blocked, bitch. I thought these were gonna at you, motherfucker. Stay down there. Oh, I bloody. Nappy ass wig. Both the ball, this wig ain't nappy. It's a little sunny. Both the ball. How the fuck I go buy a wig that nap? You know what? You another dummy. Then you gon' get blocked cause you on my line of dick. Eating both in it. Block. That blocker, I just block a bit of letter white. Y'all drop it like blah. That white best friend, cut him out. Damn white boyfriend on the line, and he gonna come boy y'all neck. But that the boyfriend, he fix car, so you need your car fixed. You need to have a boy while you up here. What about B and what I do about lie? Y'all about to walk on it, hey? Y'all need to be about when they COVID-19 come out. Buy some do motherfucker shoe. Because the white boy right there, you talking to the B, but you got an old ass snooker. This snooker out what? Girl, shut the fuck up, hurt me, cause you ain't talking about nothing. Okay, mommy, talk about you because you a hoe, bitch. I don't do that hoe talk stuff. I don't talk like no hoe. I want money, bitch. You mad because I'm with, bitch. You fucking mad because you live in a one bedroom, bitch. Yeah, you the same bitch. They were on paper last night complaining how your kid food neck, your baby dad, whoever ate up all your kid food snacks. The same bitch was having kids, no man, bitch. All your baby dad gone, ran out, mess my bitch. You can't call it like, fuck, I ain't got no motherfucking kids, I ain't got no motherfucking bitch, and I'm ready to fuck. Y'all need to get the fuck all out with that, cause I ain't got time for none of this stuff. Period. Like, that's already in the line now. I don't go like that, cause y'all people, y'all need to be doing too much. You getting hype for what? Okay, let me get hype. You know, I cut the phone. Y'all is dumb. Like, because at the end of the day, you mad because you ain't get no stimulus check. That's why you on that live talking junk. Because I addressed stimulus check. You ain't get no stimulus check. Bitch, I got fuck. I got a whoa. You can get that if you want. everybody stop coming for my motherfucking tutu. Okay, so your tutu can't come on my motherfucking live in my comment talking all that shit. Like, bitch, you bald head anyway. Y'all some rats of the air potty good. Y'all ain't gonna get nothing out of a baby, bitch. That's right, girl. Do your thing. Don't worry about these hating assholes. They just mad because your lip glow popping. Okay, best friend. Damn, man. Best friend. Them been mad because they do a dollar store. Like a big matte, bitch. This matte on my lip, bitch. You know how much they wig got, bitch? I would snap them on. Don't play with me. Girl, get off block because you the same bitch getting dragged to the bathroom middle school. Fault of all, oh, but you lied because let me tell you, I ain't want them. I'm not going to spray nothing. And nigga, I think you. And the people that just hang with, all in my kind of talking the most did. Like, y'all just talking. Bitch, you gonna live with a motherfucking Barbie doll? Duh. Who gonna stop me though? Who gonna stop me? Period, fool, that day I ain't want none of you. You can't motherfucking fight, girl. Come pull up. What the fuck am I pulling up for, bitch? Bitch, I went and I bought the fuck up, bitch. You see my curtain, black, bitch. You probably got seats at your window, bitch. Curtain, bitch. Bitch, like me, I use curtain at my window. You got a whole fucking seat at the window, like you didn't come for me, like bitch. You matter of fact, I block you, cause I'm not gonna argue with name, bitch. That got a seat at their window, boy, curtain, bitch. Real totem, bitch. Block. Get your life together. Bye. Y'all don't want black. That body is steady ass up. Y'all dumb because y'all gonna do this every Wednesday. I'm gonna bring the tea. I'm gonna bring a big thing of tea for y'all. I need to start dishing it out. Like, yeah, best friend, I'm about to come over there. Pull up. Yeah, pull up, best friend, because these bitches act like they gonna bait me. They act like they want baby. They act like, pull up. Girl, that part we pull up. We gonna pull up to your pull up to the mansion, bitch. But bitch, you gonna ever been to your life. Pull up to the mansion. You boo, get off alive and go ahead and get your nails, your lashes done. And go ahead and spin that bag I just sent you. Cause these hoes hate it because they dirty as fuck. Duh, boyfriend. They dirty. That's why they mad to them. I know I'm on fleet. Like, go ahead. That pill, but I'm ready in the line. Cause my man told me get on live because these hoes ain't gonna do nothing but try to dump me. They wanna try to snap my wig on. She was up under my wig. But boy, ain't nothing up under that wig belong to you. Mind your business. You have to get the fuck on live because you is doing too much. I'm trying to refresh my new feed seeing you. You know what? You is a dumb ass nigga because you keep this. Y'all did be writing paragraphs for what though? Like, did y'all even write the essays in school when your teacher told you had to do an essay? Did you even do a book report? Because I swear, y'all dropping essays in my comment, right? Anyway, stimulus check 2020. Check your inbox, cause them stimulus checks should be coming, cause we all need that money. And some of y'all people that on the live talking to about me, when you get your stimulus check, I hope you find some business to pay you, cause you need to buy you some business. Open up a business song, cause y'all this is going through my, and I'm ready in the live, cause I ain't gonna keep going back and forth. Yeah, her, get the fuck off live, girl. Pull up and take your phone. But at that who phone? Bitch, y'all stupid, cause boy, I ain't even on phone. I on camera. Dude, you don't know what your fuck you talking about, bitch. You could go ahead and exit this line right button now if I pull up on you, bitch. I pull up on even y'all bitch. I just got out of jail from doing 2 years. Who the fuck want what? Like, I don't got nothing to do but my Barbie doll. And I had my Barbie doll when I was in jail. I really ain't got nothing to do. I'm not on no Wi-Fi connected. Bitch, I pay my better pay. I'm going to you a deep. You know what? Bye. I'm gone. I'm leaving this live. I ain't got time for now. Y'all dumb ass beat. Tune in every Wednesday. If y'all want to see more of me, tune in for every Wednesday. Like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Share this video to all your friends. Let them know that funny woman got it going on. And I'm Sarah. I'm the newest to that crew. And guess what? I dance, I drink, I talk, I do all that. Me the fuck up and get mind your business. You know what? Let me get all live so I can start butting these business. You know what? I'm gonna. You want to see more from Sarah? Like, subscribe, and share this video, and comment in the comment section if you got any idea you want me to talk about. So every Wednesday, come check me out.